Today, you have a cheaper and easier option. We will teach you how to quickly create a mobile app without writing a single line of code, and it will take less than 10 minutes to complete. You don't need to know how to code. You don't need to install any software. Just need to follow the steps in the video to finish launching a mobile app. Let's get started. Registration is very simple. You can use Gmail, Facebook, Microsoft, Apple, and other accounts to register. After logging in to Jotform, we need to go to My Apps. The first time you log in, you will see a window with a lot of templates, so you don't have to start from scratch. You can select the templates you like and modify them directly. If you click See More Templates, you will see many categories in the left menu. Each category has many templates for you to choose. There are many templates here. You will be able to choose the right one. In this tutorial, we will select Retail category and choose the Handmade Soap Order app. You can preview the template page before applying the template to make sure it meets the requirements. You can also switch between devices to preview the template or scan the QR code on your phone to do the actual work. In the preview window, you can directly click the page to operate and immediately browse to see the product list page. After confirming that it meets the requirements, click Use Template, and then you can see the app editing screen. You can click to switch pages. The left side is the editing area of the app, the right side can see the live preview, and the bottom can see all the pages of the app. Now let's adjust the page order. Click Navigation Settings. We want to move page 1 to first. You can directly drag and drop the page order. The page will be updated immediately. Then we want the app to show the navigation menu. Turn it on. Let's go back to the home page to test the result. Click on the menu and see the order page. Okay, everything seems to be fine. In addition, live preview can also be viewed on different devices to make sure the layout is correct. That's great. If we want to change the image of the home page, we just click on the image, click Properties, and remove the original image first. Select the replacement image to upload. Of course, you can also set the action after clicking the image, such as jumping to a specific page, opening a web page, or opening a form. Here, we choose to jump to the About Our Brand page. Let's adjust the style of the button. Click on the button element. Click on Properties. Switch to Style Settings. I want to change the button corner to default and change the button style to black background to match the color of the logo. The home page is finished. Switch to the product list page and follow the same steps. Click the button element at the bottom. Click Properties. Switch to Style Setting. Change button corner to default and button style to black background. Let's take a look at the properties of the product list. You can change the order of each item by drag and drop, and just click the Edit button to modify the product directly. Of course, you can also select a single item in the list to modify it directly. Let's change the social media button at the bottom to black as well. Select the component, click Properties, change the icon color to black. Then remove the LinkedIn button and go back to the product listing page to see the result. Then we change the order of products and add New Product. Enter the product name, change the product price, upload photos, back to the product list. Drag and drop the new product to the first one, complete the new product on the store. It's very simple. Let's take a look at the Store Properties function. You can change the currency of the store according to the country, and in the product settings, you can change the way of displaying the product list. Let's change it to 2-column layout, so that the product images can be displayed larger. Because there are not many products, we can turn off the search function. Checkout page can set the contact information form. We will explain this later. Go to the About Our Brand page, we will change all the buttons to black as well. Select Components, click Properties. We don't need the LinkedIn button, so we remove the link. Select the icon color and change it to black as well. Select the Home Page button, go to Style, and change it to black as well. After all the buttons are changed to black, go back to the page to see the result. Then go to Contact Information page. We can preview the content of Contact Form. This form has many fields: email, phone, shipping address, and billing address, etc. You can see all the fields of the form in the right window below. Besides adjusting the order of the fields, you can also delete the unwanted fields. We will delete the 2 fields of billing address and message. After deleting, you can open the preview window to confirm. Back to the home page. The app design is finished. Finally, we need to do some app settings. Go to the Settings screen. If you enabled Add to Home Screen Modal, it will show Add to Home Screen Modal when user opens the app. Of course, you can change the app name. The current name is too long. Let's make it shorter. You can also change the app icon. Replace it with your own image. In the splash screen page, we can see the explanation. The splash screen appears when users open your app on their mobile devices. You can change the color of the background and the text. We change the text to black. Congratulations! We have completed a mobile app without writing a single line of code. Let's go to Publish page to see the results. You can click Open in New tab to view it in the browser. This is the home screen, Store logo. Go to Product List page, 2-column layout. Go to About Our Brand page. Buttons are all black. Looks good. Close the window.